Hi, today I'd like to show you a pretty easy 12-bar blues. This is by Ray Charles. It's called What I Say. I'm tuned to E, E, B, E. I'll play it for you, and then we'll go through it. So, that was a little quick, so I'll slow it right down. 12-bar blues means there's 4 measures of the 1 chord, in this case E, and then there's 2 measures of the 4 chord, which starts on the 5th fret. Then there's 2 of the 1 chord, 1 of the 5 chord on the 7th fret, 1 of the 4 chord on the 5th fret, and then this one doesn't have a turnaround, so it's 2 of the 1 chord. In the open chord. And then it all starts again. So that lick, I'm going to turn my volume down a little bit here. That lick is very straightforward. It's 0 on the low, 0 on the middle, 3, and then the high string. Or as I do, I go to the 5. I go to the 5 so I can go and get a little bit of wiggle there. And as you can see, this is a fretless cigar box guitar. This is one of the first ones I ever made. The top was all messed up when I got the box, so I thought, well, I'll just take the stuff off it with a little bit of water and keep this one for myself. Really glad I did. It's got a really cool tone. So anyway, lick 1, 0 on the low, 0 on the middle, 3 on the middle, and then your choice. Open on the high or 5 on the middle. Okay, for the 4 chord, we go up to the 5th fret, we go 5 on the low, 5 on the middle, and then we drop down to 3 on the high, and then 5 on the high. Now maybe you notice there's a little timing thing going on there. That's very even. The next time you go quickly to the 3, but you hit it twice, put you back in time. See how that works? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. It was like that on the first lick too. Same thing. Now the 5 chord, we're just going to play half of it. So that's going to be 7, 7, 5 on the high string, then 7 on the high string, 7 on the low, 7 on the middle, 5 on the high, 7 on the high. And then we're going to drop down to the 4 chord on the 5th fret and go 5, 5. And then the 2 3s. Then we're back to the 1 chord. So this lick is a 2-measure lick. The first measure is, that's pretty straight, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. But that's 2 measures. So in one sense, you're playing the lick twice for the first 4 measures, and once for 2 measures over the 4 chord on the 5th fret. Thanks for listening. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.